Enforcing a secure password policy. To do this, I will need to be signed in as webmaster. So I create a new user called webmaster using the add user command. Then I signed in as webmaster using sudo su/webmaster. Now I need to enforce a secure password policy. To do that, I will need to install a PW quality module. To install this, I would use the command sudo apt install lippam PW quality. Then I was prompted for a password, so I used hello123, which was the password for webmaster. Now, before I edit the common password file, I need to back up the original so I don't make any errors. So I would use the command sudo cp/etc/pam.d/common-password -etc/pam.d/common-password.backup. This should back up the passwords file. Now, to edit the passwords file, I will need to use the command sudo nano/etc/pam.d/common-password. Once I found this line, I can now change the prompts and enforce the new password policies used by using this line. Password requisite pam-pw quality dash why is it anyway? Retry for minlen equals 10, di for dash equals 4, l credit equals -2, u credit equals -2, d credit equals -1, o credit equals -1, reject username, enforce for root. And just paste it and replace it with that line. This will enforce a password policy where only a password can be entered 4 times and the minimum length has to be 10. Also, the number of characters that is similar to the old password can only be 4. And the number of lowercase characters and uppercase characters can be used as well as the number of digits and symbols. It will also reject the password that includes the username. Then I press Ctrl X and save the changes. To test if this works, I will need to reboot the server. To do this, I will use the command sudo reboot. Now I'll create a test user to test the password policies using the command sudo add user test user. Now I'll test some of the password to see if it follows the new policy. 4 tries have been used and different outcomes for each. The first one, the password is a palindrome. The second one, the password contains less than 1 digits. The third one, the password contains less than 1 non-alphanumeric characters. And the last one, the password for the dictionary check is based on a dictionary word. Now I enter a password that follows the procedure policy and it works. As you can see here, I've typed in a password and I've re-entered the password and the password has been updated successfully.